Hi, welcome back. Let's evaluate 512 to the power of 3 divided by 32 to the power of 4. The first thing to notice is that 512 and 32 are on your 2 power table. So let's write that out. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, etc. So 4 is 16, 5 is 32, 6 is 64, 7 is 128, 8 is 256, and 9 is 512. So 512 is 2 to the power of 9, and 32 is 2 to the power of 5. So let's rewrite this. 512 is 2 to the power of 9, and that is all raised to the power of 3, and that is divided by 32, which is 2 to the power of 5, all raised to the power of 4. Now, this first rule here tells us that if we have a number raised to a power and that's raised to another power, we can rewrite it as that same number raised to the 2 powers multiplied together. So let's do that. This becomes 2 to the power of 9 times 3. And on the bottom we have 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 4. So this becomes 2 to the power of 27 divided by 2 to the power of 20. Now we also have this rule. This says if we have a number raised to a power and we divide it by the same number raised to a different power, then we simply get that same number raised to the difference between the powers. So this becomes 2 to the power of 27 minus 20. In other words, the answer is 2 to the power of 7. Now, if we check back to our table, 2 to the power of 7 is 128. So the answer is 128. Did you get it?